history, Pan-Himalaya region is a very good region that different peoples, they live together and they communicate and exchange here. Himalaya mountain is the highest mountain in the world, but I don't think it is the barrier for the people here. I think Himalaya mountain should be a very good bridge and belt for the people. They communicate, they stay, they cooperate with each other instead of the barrier. I think all the desires of the people here, they want to cooperate and communicate with each other very strong. I hope we may create more opportunities and platforms to communicate and cooperate with each other, both in academic level and social developing level. And China is an open and inclusive country. We hope to make friends with others together. Good luck.